Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver and today we're gonna have another trading session with binary options on Quotex. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're still not subscribed and watching my videos, because it helps the channel and it helps me understand that you like the content. And also don't forget to check out the description to this video where I always have a link to a platform where I trade, Quotex, and also a Telegram group where me and my team, we post a lot of useful information about trading in general and specifically with binary options. Let's go to the video of today. And today we're starting with a pretty good amount already. 744.90 is to make it even the next time, but basically I calculated so it makes a nice even payouts, etc. So 744.9 and 744, we're gonna make a let's have a look. Let's see if we can make an option. Let's see, there is a pullback there. We're gonna go ahead and use that to our advantage. A put option for 744 for 1 minute, and I think so. Basically the market is going up, but there is a pin bar there first of all, which can indicate a pullback maybe, or I don't know if it's a change of direction of the market, but I think it's a pullback, and we're likely to see this. So we're going to use this situation. But basically, if it was more time, if it was a few minutes time, we'd go to the long. But let's wait for the result of this one, and yeah, excited. And here is the first profit, which is big because we were using, to start with, we were using quite a bit of money. So 1,429 on our balance now. So the next one we can do a $1,000 option next. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's change this. So let's go into the call option here. So I see that the bearish market is actually kind of losing its power by the end. I mean, no, the candles are pretty long there, but so it was going, as you can see, it was going slower, and then it went pretty fast down. It was pretty strong, but when it enters the area of being oversold and the price are getting cheaper, obviously it's getting sold by people, and it's already oversold at this point, and this line acts as a support line from which we bounce off and go up. That's the idea, and I hope this works as planned, as in my head, as I can picture it in my head. So let's see the result. And it did work. 1,900, so 90% payout just from this one. We have $2,329 on our balance. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go with, let's see, 2,000. We're gonna use 2,000 next, and the this currency. Okay, so a similar situation. There is a support level building up there on multiple layers, but let's say there's one general support level from which we are about to bounce off, in my opinion, and we're gonna go into a $2,000 call option. And 1 minute time. Let's wait for the result. And here is the profit from this one, 3,890. Really nice profit. 4.149 on the balance already. So we're gonna go ahead and use the next option of, we're gonna use up our 4,000. This is the compound percent in its best, because we're using the entirety of the balance that we just made to create even bigger, because the payout is quite good. 92% on this one, imagine. That's a really good one. And let's see, so the let's have a look. I see that there is some time to go down. Let's go ahead and make this put option for 4,000. I think there is still a bit of time to go down, because I mean we're testing the, I think there's going to be this pullback a bit more, and then maybe it will go further up. But okay, let's just see the result. Let's relax and see the result instead of just trying to go in front of the train. So let's see. Oh, a nice profit here, and we had enough time. As you can see, the price is actually starting to looking like it's gonna go and bounce off this support line there. Exactly what we thought, but we had this moment to use up this 1 minute time before it happens, and it was a really lucky one. So the next option we can make. Okay. So before a resistance line, there is time. If we look at the graph, there is time. So it's a nice bullish trend. We're gonna go ahead and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000 call option, and let's see the result. But basically the idea behind this is that we have an indication, well, we see a strong trend building, but there is a resistance line which it will probably hit, and who knows, it might bounce off it if it doesn't have enough power. So that's the idea. I think we have enough time again to use this situation and get a profit from this, because ideally, like, it's gonna go up after this. It's gonna go up and hit that resistance line, and if it's gonna bounce off, well, it bounces off. If not, it's gonna collect there and go up. So let's see. Oh, while I spoke, wow. While I spoke, we just lost quite a bit, but luckily, so let's just make this couple thousand is what we have. Call option, because that's it. That's the idea. There was not enough time. Look, so we needed 2 minute time here instead of 1. So you can see for this situation, 1 minute was not enough. Just not enough. It happens. Luckily, we had, not all of it was gone, because it was a $7,000 option. Wow. And I think 5,000 went, and then a couple of thousand made it back. So not a worst situation. So we had some profit go back to us, and right now I made this same call option, and there it's tricky. We just had a profit. It's $4,559 on our balance, and we're gonna have a chance now to use 4,000. So we're back a bit. We're set back a bit, but that's, as you can see, there it starts to go down. As I said, reaches the resistance level, might go back, might bounce off, and it did. So how about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4,000 call option. Why? Because the market was kind of quite a bit of time below the below the middle line even, so it's probably time for it to go back up. And the support level is again as you can see, it's been collecting near the support level for a while. I mean, I hope it's gonna go up now, at least for us substantially. Is a little bit up is already good. So let's wait for the result. Let's see. Here we have the profit, 7,500. In total, there's 8,000 that we can use for the next option. And we're gonna do that, you better believe it, because we had a bit of a setback, and now we wanna make up for it. So, what should we do? Should I stay on this one? I don't think so. Actually, it might be bounce. I mean, the zigzag. The beautiful thing about this, the levels are all over the place. The levels are everywhere, and you can see the zigzag. In this case, the line of the zigzag acts as a support level right now. And then an RSI indicator, the line where you can see the 30, which is the level where we reach. So let's just go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 call option before it goes up. So it acts also as a support level from which the market, the graph, is right now bouncing off. Good indication. We're gonna use it, own it, and let's get and see the result. Really excited about this one because it's a really big one. It's that or that's finished because we used the entirety of our balance. So let's wait for the result. Oh, and we are there, guys. This was so huge. First of all, it was 89% payout. So okay, 92% here. So with such a huge option, it was kind of stressful to watch it because wow, it was really slow. I'm gonna go ahead. I see this really great situation here. I'm just gonna go ahead and risk it all, and let's see, because again right here I see a nice opportunity for the price to go up. Again, it's bouncing off the the support levels again from the zigzag line, which is acting as support levels. And again, it has the actual market, their actual graph has its support levels in itself, and so it's a layered levels, and which makes it, I believe it makes it even stronger. And let's see the result. But what I was going to say is this one is even bigger. This is twice as big, and it's really stressful in these situations. But you gotta keep keep the head cool and just wait for the result. I mean, it's a process. So, and here it is, we're getting the profit there, and wow, it's amazing. And let's go to, oh, should we stop here? I mean, we should probably stop right here. Let's see. Okay. Have a look at righty. Okay. So, and what I'm going to do is another option. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Let's keep it at 9. Call option, and basically I am seeing again support level, bouncing off it, and this is the idea behind this. Obviously not gonna use more than that. It was too much, it was crazy. It could go wrong very easily, because as I said, there is initially you have a 50% chance of the price going or up or down, and you can make it a little bit in your advantage, a little bit. It doesn't mean it's 100%. You're using the tools, technical analysis, you're using the different oscillators, indicators, knowledge of the patterns and market and asset, and you can maybe get it to 65%, maybe 70% if plus a bit of luck. 70% is, here we have the profit, guys. I'm not gonna even repeat, you see it, and we're gonna stop right here because it was amazing profit. I mean, I'm not even gonna repeat it. We're gonna stop here. Don't forget about the description to this video, and try not to repeat this if you're a beginner and first learn about stuff. In the description there's a Telegram group where you can do that. Use the link in the description to get to Quotex. I'll see you all next time. Subscribe, like and comment. Good luck and goodbye.